In our educational series on government schemes, today we will be discussing Make in India. Make in India is an ambitious initiative launched by the Government of India in September 2014, aimed at promoting manufacturing in the country and transforming India into a global manufacturing hub. The initiative is based on 5 key pillars: new processes, infrastructure development, ease of doing business, innovation and research, and skilling. Under the new processes pillar, the government is working towards simplifying and rationalizing the regulatory environment to make business operations easier through various measures such as online single window clearance and self-certification to streamline procedures. Under the infrastructure development pillar, the government aims to develop world-class infrastructure in the country, including transportation, power, and logistics. The government is working towards developing industrial corridors and smart cities to support manufacturing activities. Under the ease of doing business pillar, the government is working towards creating a business-friendly environment by introducing measures such as the Goods and Services Tax, GST, and the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, to simplify the tax and legal framework for businesses. Under the innovation and research pillar, the has launched various initiatives such as the Atal Innovation Mission and the National Intellectual Property Rights Policy to encourage innovation and research. Under the skilling pillar, the government is implementing various initiatives such as the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana and the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme to provide necessary training and skill development opportunities to the workforce. As of August 2022, India has received over $500 billion in foreign direct investment, FDI, since the launch of the initiative. The initiative has also led to the creation of new jobs in the manufacturing sector and has helped in reducing the country's dependence on imports. However, the initiative also faces various challenges, including the need for infrastructure development, skilled labor, and the need to simplify regulations and procedures further. The government needs to address these challenges to ensure that the initiative achieves its full potential and benefits all sections of the population. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Please do like and subscribe our channel.